This video will show IHS Software's ready-to-ship customer order picking software in action. Our claim is that ready-to-ship will enable a picker to accurately and quickly pick multiple orders during one pass through the warehouse. You will see how easy it is to use. Mary is our picker today. She's going to be putting one box on a cart that she'll push through the warehouse, one box for each of the orders. Her supervisor has left her a stack of orders. She's going to pick up the first order, scan the barcode on it, scan the barcode on a box, put the order in the box, and set that on the cart. She picks up the second order, scans it, scans another carton, and puts it on the cart. The reason for putting the piece of paper into the cart is that this will allow the people in the packing and shipping department to know where these items are going to be going. She has one more to associate here. She drops it in there. She's now associated all four orders with cartons. She's then going to pick, she's going to then use her finger to tap the build button. The system shows her where the first pick is. Where's your first pick?
Slot 1.
All right, we're going to follow her over to slot 1. Mary is just arriving at her first pick slot, and you'll notice she pulls her cart up, grabs her scanner, and goes right to the location, grabs an item, scans it, lays it on the cart. Grabs another item, scans it. It just told her which carton to put it in. She scans the carton to confirm to the system that she's putting it in the right carton, and now it's asking her to do more picking. You'll notice she's picking more from the same location, but these are items for a different order. She keeps scanning those items. Now she's going to put it in a carton. You'll notice she's putting it down at the bottom of the cart in a different carton for a different order. It's now asked her to move to another slot, so she's moving on to slot 2. Again, she has to do nothing other than just grab items out of the off the shelf. As she grabs each one, she scans it, lays it on the cart, grabs another one, lays it on the cart. So those went into that box because that's the order they're for. There's actually 3 different orders that have items from this same location, and she's dropped it into the cart. Notice how seldom she has to look at the display. She only looks at the display to find out where her next pick is from, and when the system tells her to look to put it into a carton. Other than that, she really just has to pick an item and scan it, pick an item and scan it. Pay special attention to the tones you hear. When she scans an item, you hear that tone means you scanned the correct item, do it again. You've scanned the correct item, do it again. That triple tone means you scanned all the items, look at the display, see which carton it goes in, scan the carton, put the items in that carton. This is how we ensure accuracy. This is also how we ensure speed. She seldom has to look at the display unless she knows what the next item is. Mary, scan that item again. That tone you hear is an error tone. It means that the item that was in that box is not the correct item. Someone misstocked it. She just grabs another item, and now she gets that tone that means you've got the right thing. There's very distinctive tones when you scan the wrong item, so that you never pick the wrong item and put it into the carton. Okay. Notice how after each pick for each order, you have to scan the carton to verify to the system that you have put the items into the right box. All right, it's moved her on to another location. I believe this one is slot 4.
Yes.
Again, you notice she never looked at that scanner after she saw where she was supposed to move to. She just moved on to slot 4. Pick the items, put them in the carton. Verifies that carton every time. Again, multiple orders are getting the same item, but you pick them for one order, put them in the carton, pick them for the second order, put them in the carton. There's more to this order, but we're going to not follow Mary any further because it's fairly simple what she's doing, and we've seen it all so far. I hope this short video has shown how simple the ReadyToShip system is to use and how it ensures accuracy and speed. The picker associates each order with a target destination for the parts on that order. The target destination could be a plastic tote box as was seen, or one shelf on a multi-shelf cart. After associating each order with a target, the picker taps the build button and reads the first pick location from the screen. Arriving at a location, the picker picks and scans each item, getting a confirming tone for the correct item and an error tone for the wrong item. Note that the location does not have to be barcoded, just labeled so the picker can identify it. When the correct quantity of items has been picked and scanned, the system gives a distinct tone, which alerts the picker to look at the display, determine the target, put the items in or on the target, and scan the target to verify. This process is repeated for each line on each order. If items are not barcoded, or if it is necessary to capture serial numbers or lot IDs, the system can handle that also. By the way, this was the first time Mary used the system. She learned it in just a few minutes.